Let's make some super cute fabric sunflowers. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thank you so much for coming back. All right, so we start with this jelly roll from Walmart. It's adorable and it has bees. They're just long strips of fabric. We also are using some shower curtains from Dollar Tree. Now I cut my fabric about 10 inches long and I fold it in half, then take our shower curtain ring, put our tails in it, and then see how we have a loop? We're going to put our fingers through that and pull the tails through the loop. And then all we're going to do is just snug it up. And we're going to do that all the way around that shower curtain ring. I push mine really close together. You can push yours as close together as you want. Put as many around there as you would like. Then I'm using my handy dandy little circle maker, but I'm making some circles so that we can do the center. Look at how cute. I also used the circle maker to make some circles out of this batting. And you want to do 2 circles of fabric and 2 circles of batting for each flower. Now I'm fraying my edges on this fabric. You don't have to fray the edges on yours, but I like that distressed vibe. So there we go. Now I'm going to glue the fabric to my batting. Is there an easier way to do this? Probably. I did 3 different flowers, so you'll see 3 different patterns of fabric on these. So then I just put some glue around the shower curtain fabric part, glue our little sandwich we just made with our batting. Now I have a dowel. Now don't judge this dowel. This is one that I used for something else and it is a little rough. But I put some glue on the top, and there where the shower curtain ring meets, that's where I put more glue and I put the dowel. So it's like a little well for our dowel to sit. Let that sit. Let it dry. Then we're going to put our other stack of fabric on top of that. And look at, are you kidding? It's so cute. Then I decided, you know what, let's make some leaves. So I just took some regular fat quarter green fabric and I cut it to, you could cut it a variety of sizes. The longer you do, the longer your leaf is going to be. I did 10 inches. The sweet spot I thought was around 8 inches, but you do what you would like. And then I folded my fabric and I cut it, like rounded it so that it looked like the end of a leaf. You don't have to do that part. You could leave it square and it would look beautiful as well. But then we were going to just tie it onto the dowel and quit it. Like, look at how cute this is. I love it. Now, I'm starting to think maybe I should have cut down my leaves. Well, not leaves, the petals, the fabric, but I don't know. I was afraid to do it because I was afraid to mess it up. It's okay. It's fine. But as you'll see here, I did 3 different sizes of leaves. I did some longer. I did some shorter. I just love it. I just love this. So listen, I'm just saying right now, if I would prefer to get fabric flowers for Mother's Day or any day of the year, right? Because they don't ever die. Look at how cute they are. I love them. Anyways, friends, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this inspires you.